Welcome to The Quiet Creator, your go-to channel for discovering powerful AI tools and tutorials. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, an AI that can design your dream room. Whether it's your bedroom, office, living room, or even your kitchen, no expensive designer needed, just your imagination and a few clicks. Let's see how it works and how you can use it today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any AI magic. Let's start with the basics. AI room design means using artificial intelligence to automatically redesign a space based on your input. You upload a picture of your room. Then, the AI suggests layouts, color schemes, furniture placement, lighting, and even complete aesthetic transformations. No need for Photoshop, design skills, or expensive software. And yes, it works in seconds, not hours. The most popular tool right now is called RoomGPT, powered by advanced image generation models like ControlNet and Stable Diffusion. Here's how it works. Upload a picture of your room. Select a theme: minimalist, modern, Scandinavian, boho, and more. Click Generate. Within 5 to 10 seconds, you'll see your room transformed into a Pinterest-worthy design. And it's free to try, with optional upgrades for high-res and custom results. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Step 1. Open RoomGPT.io or a similar tool. Upload. Upload a clear image of your current space. Step 3. Choose a style. Let's go with Modern Japandi. Step 4. Click Generate. On screen, before versus after, AI-generated room. Look at that. The bed moved, furniture updated, lighting optimized, even wall color and decor changed. And this entire transformation took less than 15 seconds. Imagine doing this for every room in your house, or offering it as a service to others. Here are some great ways to use AI room design: redecorating your room or apartment, planning furniture before a move, showing design ideas to your landlord or spouse, helping interior designers prototype faster, starting your own freelancing gig for real estate, staging or Airbnb listings. AI is not just a tool, it's a business opportunity. RoomGPT is great. But here are 3 more tools you can explore. Interior AI lets you design interiors with over 30 styles. Great for professionals. Remodeled.ai. Upload photos and get multiple style variations. Homestyler. Drag and drop furniture in a 3D environment powered by AI. These tools are perfect if you want more control or higher quality renders. So how does AI know how to decorate? It's trained on millions of interior design photos, learning the patterns, colors, balance, and flow of beautiful spaces. It uses deep learning to understand how light, space, and texture interact. Think of it as a personal designer who has seen every room on Pinterest and never sleeps. This is AI applied to visual creativity, and it keeps getting better with every use. Let's quickly talk about the pros and cons. Pros: instant results, free or cheap tools. It's great for inspiration. Saves time and money. Cons: not always 100% realistic. May lack structural accuracy. Needs good input images. Best used as a starting point, not a final blueprint. Use it smartly, and it can supercharge your creative process. So, what do you think? Do let AI design your dream room. Try it today and share your results in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more faceless, powerful AI tools you can use today. And don't forget, the future of creativity is already here. Thanks for watching The Quiet Creator. See you in the next one.